Alright everybody, welcome to West Easy's Community College cooking class, where today we're going to be making miso soup. You're going to need white miso, red miso, wakame seaweed, bonito flakes, and soft tofu for this recipe. And remember, wash your grubby little hands before you get in the kitchen. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to get started. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the bonito flakes into some tea bags, and then that makes it super easy removal. For 2 tea bags and about half of a small stock pot, I let it go for about an hour. Hour 15 minutes might be preferable. Obviously, if you're using more water, then do it longer, and preferably with more bonito flakes as well. 2 tea bags ought to be enough for about half of this small stock pot, but I could easily see myself, going just 1 hour and 3 instead of 2 in an hour 15. So yeah. Neat little trick, just fold the top of it like that and then drop it in, and no messy removal of all the bonito flakes after your dashi's done cooking. Would you look at that? Alright, this next part is going to be important. You're going to want to use 1/3 the amount of white miso to the amount of red miso. It's about one tablespoon and 1/3 tablespoon. So if you're using 3 tablespoons of red miso for 2 cups of soup, then you're going to be using 1 cup of white miso. I don't really measure it that much anymore. I've made this recipe so many times I kind of can just eyeball it. And what I did right there is I just cut 2 little sides of the tofu, so it makes it easy drainage. Very nice technique, and yeah, saves you a lot of hassle. You don't have to worry about getting tofu juice all over the place. I'm just going to chop this up into cubes, a little rough chop. It's tofu. I could probably dip this with a butter knife, but, just make it look presentable and dump it in the pot. You can see I already have the seaweed in there in that shot. You do want to let the wakame cook for a little bit, so preferably you want to put it before. I just ordered the clips a little weird. Yeah, here's that wakame. You just drop it in, and then while it's coming together, stir it up a little bit, and then your soup will be good to go in a little bit. I'd say give it about like 3 to 5 minutes when you put the wakame in to get the right texture. Some people like it a little toothier, some people like it a little softer, so it's really personal preference. And with that, you have made your own bowl of delicious miso soup. Thank you everyone for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like the cooking content. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos like this, not only on Asian food, but like recipes I grew up with too. I kind of learned how to cook using Asian food. Let me know if you want to see a vegetarian miso soup recipe in the future. Alright guys, thank you, and good night.